Nica. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. And if you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. So today's video, I'm gonna be taking out these braids. I have had them in now for 2 months. They are so disgusting. I did like a little mini TikTok of me putting them. Shameless plug. Make sure you follow me on TikTok. Okay. Anyway, yeah. So I'm gonna take them out. I've had them in, like I said, for so long. They're just like, nah, they need to go. They need to go. Like, look at this. They're all like stretched out. And I did them with the elastic band method, which you're not even supposed to keep in that long. But yeah, no, they need to go. A part of me wants to keep them because I don't want to have to deal with my natural hair, but I know they need to go. But yeah, so I'm gonna be taking them out. By the way, like, I'm in the background's my living room, but I'm in like the salon area of my house. If you don't know, I am a hairstylist. I do hair from home. I have like a little home salon. Yeah, so I'm in the salon side just because I didn't want to make too much of a mess. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut these. My hair is really short, so this might even be too long that I'm cutting them, but you know. Alright y'all, so my braids are all out. Look how you know what? I low-key want to do like a braided bob. I feel like it's cute. I don't know. What do y'all think? Let me know down below if I should do a braided bob. I don't think it'll be a side part. I think definitely. I don't hate this. Wait a minute. I might have just did something. Okay. Yeah, let me know if you guys want me to do a braided bob. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start unbraiding this. Hey. Oh my god, they're like stuck in. Ew. Okay, then I just have like another pair of scissors that have like a sharper end that I'm just gonna stick under the elastic to cut it. Yo. Oh my god, look at all that nastiness. Should I take this out? Okay. So what I do, like, I'm not gonna do this one by one, I'm just gonna show y'all this one. But I just take some extra virgin olive oil to put like on my hands. I use this like specifically on my hair. And like I just put it along the shaft just to give it more slip when I'm going down. And look at that. And like I'm using like a mid-sized side of the comb, like not too small, not too big, just to detangle. But you know, it actually isn't even that bad. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and like take the rest of them down. So I finished unbraiding half. Now I'm gonna literally just like pour the oil all up in my hair. And then I'm about to just comb through. Also, so if you're watching my video because it's the first time you want to take your, like, it's your first time you had braids and it's the first time you've had them taken out, I hope you don't think this is my hair that's coming out. Hair sheds, okay? You're supposed to lose like 180 hairs a day. But obviously when they're in a protective style, it's still shedding, but it has nowhere to go. So this is all the hair that would have shedded out my head that is now coming out. Alright y'all, so I finished unbraiding my whole head and I what's the word, detangled it all with my big comb. This is how it looks like all out. Oh, this isn't that bad. I expected way worse. You know, my hair's quite thin, so it's gonna look thin. But yeah, this is my hair all out after taking down the braids, and this is how much hair I lost. Ooh, it's so gross. Which honestly isn't even that bad. Look, I put it in like a little pocket. It's so nasty. I'm so annoyed. The whole time I thought I was filming this process, about to get ready to go in the shower, only to realize it wasn't filming. But right now I have like this little like treatment thing, I guess, that I do on my hair. So I'm about to show y'all what it is. It's just the Aztec Clay mask. So I do equal parts of everything for my hair length. I do like 3 tablespoons of each. So it's the Aztec Clay mask, 100% pure glycerine, olive oil, and then this, wait, did I say this one already? I don't remember. But the Gro Intense Repair Mask. I'm on editing if I said it. And then I just pour apple cider vinegar and water in it, and then mix it until it becomes like a yogurty like kind of consistency. Part my hair, put it on my hair, comb it through, and I'm leaving it on for 10, well, I left it on now for 10 minutes. Usually I'll sit under the dryer for 10 minutes, but didn't really feel like doing that this time. So yeah, letting it sit on my hair for 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna hop in the shower, rinse it out, shampoo. So y'all about to see all of it, but yeah. I'm starting off by rinsing out the mask thing that I put in my hair, just making sure to get it all out. And you'll kind of see that like my curls kind of immediately bounce back from this, because it's like really hydrating, but at the same time like it cleanses, and just, yeah, I really like it. So yeah, in this clip you can see what my hair looks like after the little treatment. So for my first shampoo, I'm going in with the Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore shampoo. I feel like this one like really like cleans my hair. Just gets all like that dirt and everything out from before. Also helps like to break down the mask, since it's very like oil heavy. It just helps like to get all of that out, and yeah, just really clean my hair basically. And then I'm just going to make sure to rinse all of that shampoo out before I go in with my next shampoo. So now for my second shampoo, I'm taking this Cream of Nature argan oil shampoo. This one I like because it's really good for detangling, and it has like literally nothing in it, like no sulfates, no anything. So it's really light on my hair, so I feel like it like gives me the cleaning without completely drying out my hair. And this one I keep on a little bit longer, just to really make sure like I rub my scalp and just like get everything out. And yeah, the reason I use 2 different shampoos is just because I don't want to use a shampoo that's a little bit too harsh, that's gonna dry my hair out. So yeah, I use one for the cleaning and then one for like a second clean. And here I am just rinsing all of that shampoo out before I go in with conditioner. So for conditioner, I'm going in with the Aussie Miracle Moist Conditioner. I mean, this just does the job, really. I'm not really picky when it comes to my conditioners. I haven't really found one that like I'm in love with, but yeah, this does the job. And then I'm just going to take my wide tooth comb and make sure to comb it through my hair. And then I'm not going to rinse, I'm going to leave it on while I finish my shower. And when I rinse, I'm not going to rinse out all of it. I do leave like about 30% of it left in my hair. So I just do like a quick cool rinse. And then yeah, I'll be all done after that. Hey y'all, as you can see probably behind me, it is now nighttime. I just been busy, but I just re-wet my hair because it had gotten really dry. After I like washed it and everything, I didn't put anything in it because I had to go get my son from school. So I just put like slapped a new rag on and then left. So now I'm just gonna like comb through it. So I'm just gonna clip it off to the sides here. And I'm going to apply the Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. I'm about to apply that like just like the Jamaican Black Castor Oil one. I really like this. I know the proper way you're supposed to like do sections to apply your products and everything, but your girl is lazy, okay? I just don't be having the time, the patience, the will to do any of that. So we're not doing any of that. I'm literally just like slapping it in my hair and then combing it through. And then I'm just gonna coat it with olive oil. I love olive oil in my hair personally. It's just like, I feel like it actually moisturizes my hair. All other oils, I feel like they just sit on my hair. With the olive oil, I feel like it actually penetrates my hair. Like, it's so moisturizing and it doesn't smell like shit. Like some of these other oils do. So yeah. Continue to just comb that through. And let me do the same thing to this side. Alright y'all, so that's it. That's pretty much all I do to my hair after I take my braids out. I know it's like a little bad or whatever, but honestly I'm probably just gonna throw it into a protective style anyways. I don't ever wear my hair like this. I don't plan on wearing my hair like this. But yeah, that is that. If you have a protective style that you want to see me do, leave it down below. Let me know if there are any products that you think I should try on my natural hair, or something in my routine that you think I should change or whatever. You can let me know that as well. And yeah, that's it. I don't have anything else to say except thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Mwah. Bye.